Hello and good morning, dears. I hope you all are doing good. So we have many important topic today. So let's begin. The first we will discuss the Hindu vocabulary, and these are the words which we are going to discuss today in the Hindu editorial. The first word we have tussle, and the synonyms are conflict, fight, struggle, and wrestle. The second stimulus, and the synonyms are encouragement, impulse, incentive, and motivate. The next we have response, and the synonyms are acknowledgement, answer, feedback, and reply. The next we have disrupt, and the synonyms are break up, disarrange, disorder, disturb, and interrupt. The last we have virulence, and the synonyms are bitter, deadly, poisonous, and toxic. So note it down for the future, and let's check previous quiz answer. The first question we had, which country share boundary with Pakistan, and the answer is Iran. The second was Panchayati Raj was introduced in 1992. The third we had synonyms of violation, and that is breach. The last we had antonyms of reliant, and that is independent. India lockdown day 33. One more death reported in Tamil Nadu. In recent time, India posted 1,500 new cases of COVID 19. Look at the situation of India. The total number of confirmed cases is around 27,000, and total number of deaths is around 900. Talking about all over the world, now here 22.7 million are confirmed cases, and the total deaths are 90,000. German peoples protested in central Berlin against coronavirus lockdown on public life. The protesters shouted, "I want my life back," and used slogans such as "Protect constitutional rights" and "Freedom is not everything." But without freedom, everything is nothing. So, talking about Germany, the capital of Germany is Berlin, and the chancellor, that means it is equivalent to PM, that is Angela Merkel. So, let's check Germany in the map. So, here is Germany, and let's compare from India. This is India, and you can see Germany. In recent time, the high COVID 19 mortality rate in Gujarat could be due to dominance of L type strain of coronavirus that was found in Wuhan city. L type and S type are the strains of coronavirus. According to expert, this L type strains is more dangerous than S type. So talking about Gujarat, the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, and Chief Minister is Vijay Ram Niklal Rupani, and the governor is Acharya Devrat. Let's check Gujarat in the map. Here you can see Gujarat, and Gujarat share its boundary with Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. SAARC country has decided to collect emergency fund to tackle economic fallout. Talking about SAARC organization, the full form of SAARC organization is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, and that is founded on 8 December 1985. The headquarters is in Kathmandu in Nepal. The total members are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Now check one liner. Important day. International Delegates Day is observed on April 25th. And next is the World Intellectual Property Day that is celebrated on April 26th, and the theme of this day, innovate for a green future. Now the person in news. The new Central Vigilance Commissioner is Sanjay Kothari. Next we have general knowledge. Income Tax Appellate Tribunal was set up on 25th January 1941. Intellectual Property Organization was founded on 14th July 1967. The headquarters is in Geneva, that means Switzerland. Central Vigilance Commissioner was founded in 1964 and the headquarters is in New Delhi. Now the time for quiz. The first question we have: which state doesn't share boundary with Gujarat? The second, the total number of members in SAARC organization. The third we have synonyms of virulent, and the fourth is antonyms of stimulus. I hope